Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2012 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: DVD system, third row seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, quad seating, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, remote vehicle start. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.